We're due for an oil change on the generator. I'm going to do that real quick. To do that, we'll go to the bottom of our front panel. You'll see that we have this bolt right here, and that's going to be a 15mm bolt. So we'll take that out, which will release all the oil. So we'll take this off. And we'll give that a minute to drain out. So after 4 hours, you are supposed to change the oil. So I'm just a little bit past that. It's really important we don't go too far past that initial oil change, because that's going to get any loose material that's in there. Allow it to cycle through the oil. By changing that oil, it's going to get that out of there, and it'll prevent a lot of damage to the motor long term. So I got about 8 hours on the generator right now, 6 to 8 hours. I'll double check exactly how much I have when I turn it back on. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking it's about the 6 hour mark. Now with this first run of the generator as well, I used pane for that entire run. That was one full 20-pound tank for that first approximately 6 hours. To collect all my waste oil, all I did was I cut an old windshield washer container in half so I'd have something to drain that in. Now my wastewater bin that I usually use for my vehicle, that's going to be way too big to fit under this, so I just needed something that was a little smaller. Okay, so we got all the oil out of here now, so we'll put the plug back in. And we'll just give that a little tighten. It doesn't need to be as tight as it was when I took it off from the factory. So when I got the generator, it came with a lighter grade oil than what I'm going to put in here. The reason I'm putting a heavier grade oil is I am in Eastern Canada, so it does get fairly cold here. Right now, today, it's quite warm, but normally in the winter, it can get quite cold. So I'm going to use a thicker oil, which is what is recommended by Firman if we're going into those colder temperatures. And you want to put approximately 32 ounces in. I do have a little bit of too much oil, so I'm just going to take just a little bit of oil out of here. That should be really close to the right amount. Now when I ordered the generator, the cap here is a little deformed right here, and the threads didn't quite line up properly and they're a little bit stripped. So I did go through the warranty process, which took me about 20 minutes. And while going through that warranty process, they did send me a brand new one. So I'm going to put that one on right now. And you don't want to refund that too much where they are plastic threads when you're putting that on. Otherwise, you're going to strip those threads out. So that's all set right now. I'm going to take that oil out of here, and then we'll fire the generator back up and see exactly how many hours we have on it right now. All right, we got the oil out of there, no problem at all without spilling any. All right, this is my first time putting gas in the generator. I'm going to put 12 liters in just to see how long that'll last me.